Uh, know that we have like translation map or something that way.
Translation map is nothing but whatever we do the mapping. There will be what we two kinds of map. Validation maps is nothing but just there won't be any mapping rule.
Okay.
Just will do
There won't.
data validation. It will not be having output parts. Whereas translation map is nothing but it will do the translation from data from one format to another format.
Okay.
So let me go to functions by bit manipulation we want to use conversion. Okay, we'll see.
And
Yeah,
okay. Like a split map also same thing, right? It will split the data, right? Input, like one input and multiple.
yes, bitmap is yeah, one input. I mean, the one input file will be having multiple transactions. A bitmap, what it will do, it will create physical files. For each transaction, it will create separate output file. That is called as bitmap.
Okay.
All these are not like WTX standards, WTX standard terminology. It's like up to customer. You call it, if you take our project, we'll call it as translation maps and we call it as sub-GTMs. What is the
Okay.
sub-GTM? Nothing but sub-GTMs, those are the maps which will get triggered based on the events. Those sub-GTMs will call the translation map. So our translation maps are not main maps which won't trigger based on some event. It will be called by main maps. So it is up to your
Okay.
project architecture.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
So we'll see some of the conversion functions today. So all is
Mm-hmm.
equal to text, BC text, these are mathematical functions. Then we will the date to number function. Date to number function will return an integer results from counting the it will return the number of days since December 31st, 1864 to specified date. Suppose
Specific data.
okay, some date from 1864 December 31st to that date it will count the number of days and it will give that number.
Mm-hmm.
Then date to text, it will convert the date to text item. Suppose your input is input item is date and time format, your output is text. So if we do the directly mapping, it will say the output of argument rule doesn't match with output type. So we have to use the date to text function.
Okay.
There is another function like the same functionality from datetime. So it will also convert datetime item to a date to text will convert only a date to a text, and we have from datetime. From datetime will also convert date and time to a text string, but
Mm-hmm.
there is more more flexibility to do the conversion here. Why? Because here thus we can add the second format. The second format is to which format you need to do the conversion from datetime to which format. Here the first argument is date and time. The second argument is to which format you need. Suppose
Okay.
your input is CCYYMMDD, you will give from date time, that is item date and time item name, and the second argument is you can say CCYY hyphen MON hyphen DD, so that it will do the conversion to a specified format from date time. Whereas date to text will just do the conversion of data object as it is. It won't change format. So that is the
Okay.
difference of date to text and from date time. Clear, Sony? So what is the difference
Yes.
between date to text and from date time?
Okay. Yeah.
So we'll see today then basically date to date and time conversions. Okay.
Okay.
Then see that is a from date time. Similarly, we have date to time to text. Yeah, here
Just to time.
text to time or time to text. So what time to text will do? It converts a time object to a text.
Text.
But here some restriction is there. It will convert only if the time is HS24 format or HS24 SS format. Here. It won't convert all the time formats. We convert only if the time is in HS24 format or
Mhm.
HS24 SS format. So, suppose if your time is other than HS24 SS, we have to use from date time. So there is only basically one function. We don't have from date, from time like that. We have only from date time, by using which you can do a conversion. If the format
Okay.
other than HS24. So if we see time text, you can use the time to text function to perform the text concatenation. For greater we use the from date. Yeah, for greater text, I think it will also take any format. Sorry, time to text also will do the conversion from time to text. But that
Okay.
if you use the from data, you can specify the resulting format to which format you need. So that is the difference. So date to text will do the as it is conversion. Similarly, time to text will do the as it is conversion. But if we use the from datetime function, we can specify the which format you need to do the conversion. So the from datetime is having a greater flexibility of doing the conversion. You can specify the resulting text conversion to which format you want. So that is the date to text and time to text. Now we'll see opposite, text to date. So here restriction is there. When you do the text to date, the input should be either CCYYMMDD or YYMMDD format, text to date. So that
Okay.
then only it will do the conversion. Similarly, text to time, the input should be HH24 I mean here HH means it should be 24 format. HS is a 2-digit number in 24 format. So it should be HS24 or HS24 MMSS format. Then only it will convert the text to a time item. Suppose if
Uh-huh.
input is not in this format, it can't do the conversion. It will return the none. The result will be none. Similarly,
Okay.
text to date, if the text is in this format only, it will do the conversion to a date and time. Otherwise, it will return the none. So, if your input is other than this format, you have to use toDateTime function. So, here we have greater flexibility of mentioning the format. The second argument is what is the input format. Whereas from datetime, we will mention the output format, to which text format you need to do the conversion. Whereas to datetime, we will mention the input text format, in which format data is coming.
Okay.
So these are the functions for date and time, I mean date to text, text to date conversion function. So we have date to text, time to text, text to date, text to time, from date time to date time. Totally 6 functions.
Okay.
So date to text, date to time. Just it will do the conversion as it is. Whatever the input date as it is, it will do the conversion to a either date or time. But whereas from date time, it will do a conversion of date and time object to a specified format. In the second argument, we have to mention the to which format we have to do the conversion. So that is the
Okay.
difference of date to text, date to time, and from date time. The second one is text to date. Text to date will do the conversion if the input text item is having the format CCY. That means in the type it won't be having properties, right, for text. If the data is coming in CCYY MMDD or YYYY MMDD, then only it will the conversion. Similarly, text to type, it will do the conversion only if the input data is HH24 or HH24 MMSS format. So, in order to do the other format, we have to use the to date time. And the second argument will mention in which format data is coming. Clear?
Okay.
So we'll see now how we'll see examples.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
And next we'll go for XML to proprietary or XML to proprietary. Next we'll go for unfetched. Today we'll see XML, how to create the XML libraries from XHD and how to use. Then we'll see more on that.
And you'll be telling about the rejects also, right? Error and
Yes, yes. That is will cover later functions.
okay.
Some functions and we'll after this 5 to 6 we'll do the exercises and then we'll see.
Okay. Okay.
Can you download the Sundays and check whether it is correct? Because
Yeah, sure.
so I'm going to create
No, that is again different.
different
Same you send.
product.
Earlier also said. This video is same like same that you sent earlier.
No, 2015 The same thing only. See here in my system. 2015 WTX training Sony.WT. So this is the one. If I open here, see.
That is PPT, right? Afterwards you took a section.
Yeah, that is also there at the end.
No, I think.
See here. Some break is there. We took the break, I think. That time it's black. Come at the end.
No, four. The same thing you sent again?
No, it is different.
But
Total 3.5 hours.
no, that is this is 15 minute. This one.
Uh-huh.
This one is 15 minute.
Which one?
Now the link which you sent earlier.
Okay. Okay, then maybe let me tell it.
That is right one. The one which you played now, that is correct. This is 200 MB.
Okay.
How much is that?
It is more. It is 250, 210 MB, 210 MB. Okay, I'm uploading now.
Okay.
So I'm going to create some fields. The date. So I created some date fields and text fields and
Yes.
with different formats. Okay. Now first we will do conversion from text to date, and then we will see date to text.
Okay.
And you are able to follow what I am doing.
Yeah.
Group. We will add date fields here. Date, time, delivery time, order date, order time. Now we will add one more record with text fields. Now merely create story to file. Okay, anyway we can do it with record one record from the files. So let's save it. Here, use structure. So we have created the same table for both input and output. First we will use text to data.
Okay.
Record one record to see exactly. So we created input card, output card. Input is our text record, output is date and time records. So
Okay.
now let me create. Okay, do the mapping. So first what will you? This is text. So and if we see the property of text, sorry, wait, okay, this is date and time. This field, this. This is text, and this is the date and time. The format is CC YY MMDD HS 24 MMSS and plus or minus JJ. That means this is the zone, which zone, whether plus or minus 530 and like that. So first we'll populate here current date and we'll see how it will come the data. Let me put none, insert none for remaining field. So how it will come for this field now? What will be the output? Sony?
Yeah, what will be the output then?
No, I mean, what is the output if we run this map? What will be the output?
Uh,
No, see the map. See the map and tell me what will be the output for this translation map.
current date and time. It will give year like the same word format it has.
How it looks? Tell me. I mean, give some.
And something like if you input is like a nine CC year. First year, month and date, right? Hours.
Yes. See, what is the format of datetime? It is CCYY. That means year.
So,
2000.
yeah, yeah.
Means month.
Month and date.
05. DD 12. HS
Sure.
is 24 hours format.
How?
So
Uh,
07 minutes, 34 minutes, second, something like 12. And then plus or minus ZZ. So the system is running in, it will check the clock time, what is our setting. So it will give plus or minus 0530, because IST is plus
okay.
or minus 530, right?
Yes.
So it will give the time zone. What you are telling something, what is our input? Will it check any input here?
No, it is none, right? It's fine. It will validate it.
It will populate current datetime. We are not
Current date
having
time.
any input fields here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Only the current date time.
Yes, yes. So first, but still we need the good data. Otherwise, it will show error, right? There should be input. Otherwise, if we just run it, it will show source not available. Because
Yeah.
no data.
So hold on.
So now we have saved. Let me give 2015 text delivery date. Delivery 2015 0520. Delivery time 2:34. Then order date 2015 0510. Order time 09. So this is our input. So I have given
Okay.
in CCYY MMDT HS. This is CCYY MMDT, CCYY MMDT, CCYY MMDT. This is HHMMSS, HHMMSS.
Okay.
It should be
One.
by default format. It won't do the conversion. Let's first we'll see. Then we'll change the format whether we'll see it will do the conversion or not. Okay. We'll see one by one. Okay. So now let me build this. Showing one or more input was invalid. So now map completed. See here. This is CCYY MM 0512 ED 07
And timing. Okay.
and then time zone plus 530.
Timing.
Similarly, let me change the open title. If we change the format, so okay. Let me change the CCYY. Stam. This is give some actions. Assignments. So here it will populate like IST,
Oh,
T like that, CET that
okay.
will populate
Okay.
3 lines character. Now I have
Yeah.
CCYY month, day, and here 1 to 3 means fractions, minimum milliseconds.
Oh, minimum.
1 to 3 milliseconds. I mean 3
Okay.
minimum should be 1 length like that.
Okay.
So you can customize the whatever the format you want. So current date will populate. See here 2015 May Tuesday because I selected month and day.
Date. Yeah, right.
I
Date.
have given T as this between separated date and time,
Yes.
and this 07:39 is it's 07 hour 39 minutes 23 9:35 is the milliseconds here.
Okay.
What is this objective? I think some I thought it is January. I think it should populate IST.
UTC. UTC.
But then
UTC or something.
objective.
Yeah. Doing which?
Yeah, it is showing the, I mean, time zones. I think it's not like EST. I think for EST, I have to put 85 is there for one of the time zone.
Okay.
It has some virus. It is showing GMT plus 5, GMT 5.
Okay.
So let me try to populate this. I'm not sure. It should populate.
That's fine.
Okay, so leave it that one. Now we'll do conversion. So we populate delivery day, delivery time, order date, and order time. Now we have to do the conversion. Otherwise, it will throw error because our input is text, but our output is date and time. So when you build the map, it will show errors, all 4 errors. Output of argument tool doesn't match output time. Now, what is the conversion? What the functions available to do the conversion from text to date? How many functions are available? 2 functions, right? Sony.
Yeah. Two functions. From test to date is there.
One is text to date function. What is the
Uh-huh.
functionality of text to date? It will do
It will convert the test to date.
date only
Convert test.
input is CCYYMMDD or YYMMDD.
Okay.
Otherwise, it won't do. Now, let me put text to date so that it will do the text to date if the input is CCYYMMDD or YYYMMDD. Similarly, we will do text to time. The function is same. It will also do the conversion if input is HH24mm or HH24mmss. Now order
Okay.
for this one, Also we'll use next to date. Now let me build a map and run it. Okay, so this is first, this is delivery date, this is delivery time, this is order time. So totally
Okay.
3, 4. Why? Because it's populated like this. Because if you see my delivery date format, showing property CCYY month DD.
Okay.
Similarly, the format is HS24 MMSS. HS24 MMSS 0 to 6 means fraction 0 to 6. Now, so if we see our input, this is 2015 0520, that means May 20. So it is populating. What is the format here?
Year, month,
Format.
and day.
Yeah. Suppose if I put hyphen, so it is populating time also correctly 12:34 12 12:34 12. Similarly,
Yes. Yeah.
for here the input is 2015 05 10. But what is my output? MMDD CCYY. That's why what is month first 05, date is 10. Why?
Okay.
Text to date will assume will convert if that it will assume that data is in CCYY MMDD. Then only it will do the conversion. So here the month is 05. So that's why it is populating MMDD CCYY. It will populate
CCY.
as per output tree format.
Okay.
Okay. Now I have changed the input date to CCYY hyphen MMDD. So will it do the conversion for this delivery date? Will it populate the value or it will populate none?
Delivery date student.
Text to date. My input is CCYY hyphen MM hyphen DD. Will it do the conversion?
Yeah.
No, it won't.
It won't.
Let me open the. See here, empty.
Oh, empty. Okay.
Why?
Oh, that format because of date format. Right?
Because of date format. Because for text to date, the format should be CCYY MMDD, right? That is
Yes.
text
Yeah.
to date.
Hyphen should not be there, right?
Yeah, hyphen should not be there. See here,
Oh.
be CCYY MMDD format or YY MMDD. Hyphen shouldn't be there. Here hyphen is
Okay.
not there. That's why it is populating correctly. Even though our
Yeah.
our input is CCYY MMDD, but our output is MMYY. But still, it will do automatic conversion. We no need to do it. Okay.
Okay.
Now, in order to do this conversion, what function we have available? Other function text to
From the
no
yeah test to
date time from date. See,
from date. Yeah.
that means from date time. But here
Yeah. From date.
to date time. To date.
Okay.
We have to do the conversion text to date time, right? So remember
Yes.
what is from date time and to date. To date time means from text to date time.
To date. Yeah. Okay.
So we have to use the to date time.
Okay.
So to date time will accept two arguments. So what is the second argument? We have to give what is the input format. CC YY MMDD. We have to mention like this.
So here it won't give any error. Then.
Now it will populate the output correctly. See,
Or,
now we are mentioning the second argument saying that the input will come CCYY hyphen MMDD format. Now build this. Now it will do the conversion. See here, 2015 May 20. 2015 May 20.
yes. Yeah. Okay.
Now will it do for with this.
Yeah.
Will it populate the output?
No, because here currently either the format is
Yes.
CCYY
So
hyphen.
see here output is null.
No, no. Okay.
Similarly,
What? Okay.
yeah, tell me.
Yeah, whatever format you specify, that like we specify that we should pass.
Yes, correct. Similarly, for time also. Now time is populating. If we change the property, something different, it won't populate. Now I have given colon in between. So see here, both date and time are empty. Delivery date and time. Able to see?
Yes.
See, both are first two fields are null. Now, so in order to do the conversion, now what should we do? Which function? Text to date.
Date. Okay.
The other function available for us. Same function.
Text to date. Okay.
No, I mean the replacement for text to date and text to alternative function is to date, and there is only one function. Alternative.
Okay, to date. Okay, to date. Okay.
We have to mention the here format of the input. So HS24 to mention within double quotes HS24 MMSS. So we can mention only time format HS24 MMSS. Similarly, we can combine both date and time as well. Okay, I will show that in the first. So we have completed successfully. Okay. Now
Okay.
on the output, see it's populated. It's populated. It's populated time 12:34. 12.
Yes.
Previously it's not populated, right? Time.
Yes.
Now it's populated.
Yeah.
Set function. So we have here date time. So here we don't have to. What is that? Text to date time we have. We don't have. We have either text to date or text to time. But suppose if the input is coming both date and time, we have to use to date time. We can mention both date and time format here.
To date.
CC, YY,
Okay.
MM, DT. Our input is coming like this. Okay, 24 MM, SS. So I mentioned both date format and as well as time format because my input is coming in that format. CC, YY, MM, DD, put. So okay, now only CCYY MMD is coming, but I mentioned CCYY MMD HS24 MMS. Let me build this plan. So output is not coming. Why? Because it's not matching with the input format.
Input.
Okay, let me put some. Okay, with the output format, as per output format, time should be present. Okay, suppose now if I give the HS24 MMSS format, it should do the conversion. Here 12, 34, 45. Now the data is coming along with time for input. Okay, why? Because it is showing one or more output invalid. Because if you see the output property, zone also should be there. Minimum, I mean fraction should be there, and also zone should be there. That's why it is showing, it's saying that one or more output is invalid, because the data should be coming in that format. See here, it is now populating only second. Now there is no format of the input data. That's why it is giving error, one or more output is invalid, because our input data is not having the zone format. Now what we can do, we can put is the optional open type in date and time properties, custom. If you put like this, select this one, it will come in brackets. Bracket means it's
Okay.
optional.
Optional. Okay.
So either come or not come. See, now completed successfully. Now it's populated. Enter CC by hyphen month hyphen day, because 2015 05 to our current date, and then T is populated because our type is having T as a separator.
Okay.
T. Even the input format is CC YY MMDD HS24 MMS, it will do the conversion to this target format.
Okay.
That's what happened here. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Similarly, for we create one more map, date to text.
Text.
Our input should be date. Now I have given same format. This is what should be the PC by So now we have what is now our input is date, our output is text. So what function we have to use here? Text to, I mean date to text.
Text. Date to text.
Date to text. First field here my date to text. So first value date to text.
Text.
See how it will. So what is the date to text? It will convert the date format to text format.
Text format.
But I am having both date and time in the first field. So we'll see how we next date to text, time to text. So the other alternative function for us is
Time to text.
no, this one from date time.
Date to day from the date to text.
From date time. From date time to date time.
Okay.
Previously we used to date time. To date time means it will convert text to date time. Now it is
From date.
from date time. So what is the difference between the date to text and from date time?
From date it will convert like date to text, and to means from text to date.
Map completed So if we see the output, so see the as it okay. Output is coming as it is. See 2015 May Tuesday T 12:34 450. 2015 May 12 12:34. So whatever the format, it is doing conversions. When you use the
Conversion.
date to text, date to time, I mean date to text, time to text.
Okay.
It will do the conversion as it is. It will do the conversion, whatever the input you give, it will just do the conversion as it is.
Okay.
Now maybe see here, even if I can give the input format, time zone JP, so it will convert as it is. See here output. Input and outputs are same. Copy paste this thing up. See, both are same.
Okay. Yeah, both are same.
So when we use date to text, time to text, just will do the conversion as it is. Now, so what when we have to use then to date time? No, sorry, from date time. What is the use of from date time?
From the date format, you convert the date format to text, right?
Yes.
From date, and I think it will put the I forgot.
From the second argument is what should be the target format, because the text field will not be having any format. Date and time
Okay.
set the any format. Using from date time, you can do the conversion to specified format.
Specific format. Okay.
See, now my input is for delivery date CCYY hyphen mm slash I mean slash dd. But now I put hyphen.
Hyphen. Okay.
So it will do conversion to a specified format. From data will do the conversion to a specified format. See?
Okay. Oh, got it.
But when an input is slash. Got it?
Yes. Yes.
So that is the functions.
Okay.
So similarly, you can add. Okay, some date. You can add some days here. We add days. Add days should be used for date and time. I'm using for one date. I'm adding one date and then doing the conversion to a text. So now one date should be added. Get 13. Input is 12.
Okay. Oh, that way also we can do. Okay.
Yeah, but my output is 2015 13. You can subtract. Add days minus 1. That means it should give 11. See 11. So that is the add day. Similarly, we have add hours, add minutes also. You can do that.
We had hours also, right?
Yeah, we can do that. Add hours, add minutes. So for delivery time is 12:34. So it should now 14:34. We added the 2 hours.
14:33. Yeah, 2 hours.
14:34.
Okay.
Then you can add hours, minutes, and add hours. We have add minutes also. We don't have add seconds. Add hours, add days, add hours, add minutes.
Okay.
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 Okay, then you can stop, right?
Okay.
I done the conversion now. No, I already upload. So now what you need? I need to send Sunday one, right?
I think you just uploaded, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you need to send that.
I need to send. And yesterday one, you received it? I think you should.
Yeah. Yeah, no, yesterday also I didn't receive. I got that project, but I didn't receive the.
No, today.
Oh, yesterday, yeah. Today you uploaded. Yeah. I got it. Yeah.
Okay. Then I'll send you. This is the Sunday one. Okay. Only today is pending then.
Okay.
Okay. I'll send you.